In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install PokeMMO on your iPhone or iPad. But before we get started, make sure to follow each and every steps carefully. If you miss any of the steps, then PokeMMO will not work on your phone. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. The first step is to click the link given in the description of the video. It will take you to the official website of PokeMMO. Now on this website, here at the right side you can see a register now button. Just click on register now. Fill your details like username, email, password and captcha, and make sure to save username and password. This is important while playing the game. Now once you have registered it, click on downloads. Here you can see iOS. Just tap on iOS. Now it will give you multiple options. Select use alt store. It says download the IPA. Just click on download the IPA. Click on download. It can take a minute or two. At the bottom, click on this arrow. Go to downloads. Once the file is downloaded, open the alt store. If you don't have alt store on your phone, then I made a dedicated video on how to install alt store on your iPhone or iPad. You can check that video in the description. Now open files. Select the file that you have downloaded. Long press on it. Click on share. From the option, select alt store. The progress bar at the top is the installation bar for PokeMMO. Now PokeMMO is successfully installed on your iPhone using alt store. Now go to home screen. Here at the bottom you can see PokeMMO. So when you open PokeMMO for the first time, it will ask you to load the ROM files. So the link to all the ROM file is given in the description of the video. So click the link given in the description of the video. It will take you to this page. Now scroll down. Here you can see there are multiple options. Select important downloads. You have to download all these ROMs and save it on your iPhone. I have successfully downloaded them. If you go to files, you can see all the 7 ROMs are downloaded here. Now open PokeMMO. It says /white ROM, select file. So these are the ROMs. Select black. Again select file. Now select the white one. Now select fire red ROM. Now select emerald ROM. Now select platinum. Now select heart. Now select soul silver. So you have successfully loaded all the ROMs on your iPhone. Now click on the X icon. It says the game must be restarted. Click on OK. Now open PokeMMO again. Now it is loading. Select the language of your choice and click on save. Enter the username and password, but before selecting the username and password, check the option of remember me. It will ask you to select your character. I have already created the character. You can click on new character and create a new one. So I'll select iOS Droids. Now you can start playing PokeMMO on your iPhone. So this is how you can install and play PokeMMO on your iPhone. If you face any type of issues while installing PokeMMO, then feel free to ask the issue in the comments down below. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.